Today we're talking about two different models of pain, two pain paradigms. Right? We've got the good old-fashioned kinesiopathological model. That means something about the way you're moving is causing you pain. Maybe your knees cave in when you squat, you're walking funny, your posture is bad, you're out of alignment, all the things that we hear as therapists and we kind of cringe. Right? There's issues with this model. We can't throw it out completely, but there's issues with it. Then there's the biopsychosocial model. This is more the current thinking. These are all the things that can amplify pain, such as sleep, movement or lack thereof, stress management, hydration, nutrition. Okay, all pain augmenters. Now this debate, this argument here reminds me a lot of the nature versus nurture arguments, debate, or the genetics and epigenetics debate, right? They say that genes load the gun, environment pulls the trigger. So these things go together. Let's take an example. Now, I'm no golfer, but this is what my patients tell me about a lot, and I hear this sort of pattern. Okay, maybe you go out with your buddies, you go for a golf trip. You golf 4 days straight, and then you're having a lot of beers, so you're getting dehydrated. You're eating a lot of fried food, killing your nutrition. Of course, that affects your sleep. So all these things go away, and boom, something shows up. There's sort of a canary in a coal mine effect. Whatever your weakest link, or whether it's a tissue or a system, shows up and lets you know, hey, you're redlining the system. Maybe it's your elbow, maybe it's your back, maybe it's your lungs, maybe it's your heart. Something, whatever your weakest link is, shows up. Now, here's the cool thing about this. These are non-modifiable, whereas this is modifiable. Right, so there's things we can do to improve this whole system. Over here, you can always improve your strength, your range of motion, your movement quality, your movement fluency, whatever that may mean. All right, these will help buffer the system, but you can also make better decisions around here. So the best thing to do is to build up this and then to dial this in.